Yes.
Hi everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's kitchen. Today I have my mom again in my kitchen. She's going to show you how she cook Chinese fried rice, chicken fried rice, okay? So my mom is a fan of Chinese rice, Chinese food, because she can cook lo mein and all other stuff. So my mom so fond of Chinese food, and during the pandemic, my mom went to the Chinese store, got all the ingredients, and my mom started cooking fried rice, and she's the best Chinese woman now in the US from Africa. So let's get started. Sis, wanna say hi to them?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to make some Chinese
Fried rice.
fried. You have to delete that side. Delete that one.
Okay, sis, wanna say hi to them?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to make some chicken fried rice. And we have chicken breast, and I'm going to show you how I slice it and how we will season it for fried rice.
Okay, go on, sweet mother. Did you see my sweet mother again in this kitchen? She's one of my fans. She's my encourager. She's everything to me in this YouTube channel. So guys, I want you guys to continue to pray for her, for long life, for good health. This woman is so sweet. My mom is, I don't know.
You can do them in cubes, or you can do them this way.
Okay. I tell you before, she's a Chinese in black body now. Cooking Chinese fried
You can do
rice.
them in cubes, or you slice them this way. It's more thinner and easy to cook. All right?
Hey guys, my sweet mother is continuing with his fried rice. Fried rice.
Yeah.
Okay, she put some olive oil to scramble the egg. Okay. She wants to scramble the egg now. So she's gonna tell her what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm going to make scrambled egg for the fried rice. So you can use egg if you want, or you just use chicken. We're not putting a lot of eggs, just a little bit. So we use 3 eggs.
Yes, 3 eggs. We're doing 3 cups of rice. So 1 egg for 1 cup.
Yeah. So we already done.
Okay, so the scramble is ready. So we're going to switch the frying pan now with the main pot for the main cooking. Okay, so this is the pot where we're going to cook now. So she poured the egg into this plate. So these are some of our ingredients we're about to use. Okay.
First, we're going to saute the chicken. Because
Okay.
we're using fresh chicken.
So now we're going to use oh, you're still using the olive oil. Just
For
to
the chicken,
for the
to
chicken.
saute the chicken.
Okay. So she's going to saute the chicken now, guys. Okay. Okay, so okay guys, so she's going to season the chicken with different kinds of seasoning. You can use any seasonings of your choice. That's pink salt. She's putting
a little bit of
garlic.
And that's it.
Okay. And mix.
Yeah.
Oh, no white pepper there?
No, not too
Okay.
much pepper. It's okay.
Okay.
You can put pepper if you want.
Okay. Okay. So we're going back. So the pot is hot now. Just pour in the chicken. Oh, okay. Okay, so in the oven. So guys, we're going to switch it because it's like this pot is just grabbing the chicken. We're going to switch it into the frying pan. Okay, guys? Guys, we're going to check the chicken now. So it's cooking well. Did you see what I'm seeing? It's doing right. No.
You're done.
Okay.
Just a full empty.
You just want to turn inside the bowl?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. So you're going to use this pot now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just left and first. Can. Okay, guys, so
You need a little
we're
oil.
going to cook the cookie now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not yet time for the sesame oil?
No, later.
Oh, okay. Okay, she still put some olive oil in the pot. She put some olive oil. She's going to put the chopped onions first. Some of it. Okay.
Place all the sauce, the soy sauce, the this sauce,
Okay.
and that sauce.
See them.
The rice.
Ma? Okay, guys, we already parboiled the rice. Okay. For crunchy.
Yeah.
I tell you about my mother. She knows how to cook. This is spring onions. Fresh spring onions. Guys. Wow. It's been days I've not eaten rice, so today I'm going to eat a little bit. Okay. Too strong? Okay. So it's frying now, guys. So put the rice now in the pot and begin to stir. Okay. Wow. So we're going to fry the rice like. Okay, so she's going to fry it for like
3 minutes.
5 minutes, okay. Okay, guys, so this is why it's called fried rice. So it's like frying, but in a shallow oil. Okay. So this is the frying point of the fried rice. Okay, guys. So guys, you see? So this is the dark soy sauce. Okay. And we have, what's that?
Oyster sauce.
This is the oyster sauce. Okay. So it's all what we're going to mingle together.
Oyster sauce. And this is the light.
Okay, this is the regular soy
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
And
In China. Then we have the sesame oil. This oil drives me crazy today to find this oil. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so she's putting in the chicken now, okay? All the chicken with all the goodness. Okay guys, so did you see what I'm seeing? Oh,
And then we put some.
so we're gonna put the sesame oil now. Okay.
Don't
They-
put too much because you
not
don't want
too
it
much.
to overshadow the rice.
Yes, because they say this is what gives another kind of aroma to the fried rice. So dark soya sauce is going in now.
Soy sauce, not soya.
Soy
Mr. Soya.
sauce. It's okay. So this is the dark soy sauce going. Okay. Wow. It gives it another kind of color. Okay. Black Chinese mama. Black Chinese mama. You're doing good, sweet mother.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you. Oh my God. So the dark soya sauce just changed the color altogether. How does it taste? Can I have a spoon? Let me
It's
just.
a little,
I just want to taste. Okay, this is the what?
duck's
Oyster sauce.
Just a little bit.
Okay, this one is so thick, and it's the one that is sweet.
Yeah. You don't like the sweet.
No, I don't like the too much sweet. So that's the dark soya sauce that just go into the pot, guys. So what other sauce again?
That's it.
Okay.
The rice is
It's too much. Okay.
little water. And then the vegetables.
Let
go
me
last.
just test that thing.
You don't turn out.
No, give me a spoon. Yeah, I just want to see. My sweet when I say the rice is a little bit too hard. Okay, yeah. It was so good.
You don't have to run all the time to get
Okay.
Chinese fried rice.
So she's gonna put a little bit of hot water to steam it.
yeah.
So we have some boiling water here. Okay. Just to allow the rice to cook well. Okay. Okay, guys, so you see how far it is?
Yeah.
The rice is soft now, sis mother.
We are going to check it.
So we're going to check it and see. Perfect, okay? Okay.
Put it in.
So what's next?
We're just gonna let it steam a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, because the hard rice was hard, that's why. But if not, so now I'm going to.
You're going to put the... Oh, okay. So she's going to put the remaining...
Spring onions.
Okay. It looks
And the
good.
remaining
The
carrots.
carrots. Okay. And all the others. She's putting some of the vegetables now, the mixed vegetables. Wow. Hey guys, I wish you are here to come munch with me. Oh my gosh. This is looking good. You want to see beauty pots? The pot is looking good. Gorgeous. So the scrambled eggs now. So everything now is in this damn pot. Ooh.
And then we just cover it.
Okay, we're just going to allow it to steam a little bit. Okay? Okay, guys, so we've come to the end of the video. It looks so good, guys. I wish you were here. So me and my sweet one, now we're about to munch. Sweet one, I take the plate and begin to dish. Yeah, dish. Now you cook. So it's dishing now. Okay guys, so me and my sweet mother, we are on the table now. We're about to eat our fried rice, Chinese fried rice. So we're in China now. Okay, so I want you to thank my sweet mother for me for coming to my house to do all this cooking today. I want you guys to appreciate her and continue to pray for her. So what do you want to tell them?
Just subscribe and share
And
like what God cannot do does not exist. Let's eat.
Guys, she already told you what to do. So we thank God for everything. This food looks so delicious.
Cheers.
Guys, just so good. So thanks. She already told you, tell you guys to like, share, and subscribe. So we're about to enjoy our food. And guess what? I have my Kenya pepper for spiciness. So bye. So I say bye.
Bye.